Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where we'll show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. First of all, you have just to dive into System.io. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you have your various information. But before, let's know how is System.io. So welcome to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Entrepreneurs and online marketers, whether we are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnels. System.io has everything you need to streamline your process and boost your success with user-friendly tools for automation, login, page creation, and affiliate management. You can focus on what truly matters. Grow in your business, join our community, and start turning your vision into reality today. So here we have System.io. It's the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketing, and that's it. Also, we have who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online. Manage every single aspect of your business without the hassle. You have the first one: course creators, freelancers, consultants, small business owners. And if you scroll down and you want to become an affiliate program, all you have to do is just click over become an affiliate. Once you do that, you will find other page, which here we have over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. Join our affiliate program today, promote our offers, put your leads into our funnels, and earn 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription, of course. Then here we have open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program. Strong affiliate tracking: your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to referrals. Then we have anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a System.io customer. So here you enter your email address, then you click over join and start earning affiliate commissions. Then if you scroll down, you have here how to get started as an affiliate. Learn everything about being a successful System.io affiliate. The first step, we have read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. Then the second step, read the info page about how the System.io affiliate program works. Then the third step, check out our branding page to find all the assets you will need to create content about System.io. And the last step, access our affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then we have here the definition of System.io, and here we have System.io free plan and earn 60% lifetime requiring commissions. So to become an affiliate, what you have to do is just write your email address and you get started with this dashboard. So this is the homepage after you sign up, and you'll find various options here. But first of all, let's click on over upgrade, and you'll find here 4 packages. The first one, it's free, as you can see. Then we have the startup one. You have to pay $27 per month, beginner $47 per month, and unlimited $97 per month. So this is his characteristics. And about the last one, it's limited for all these characteristics. So that's about my plan. Then you click over payment gateways to know how you can get paid. So we have here other options like Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, and Razorpay, Flutterwave. Then we have Molly, Go Cardless, Paystack, Shandy, Secure Pay, Cash on Delivery also, and you can choose the one you want and you get started. So right now I will show you how you can create a product. First of all, you click over product, then you click over physical product, and then you click over create. Once you do that, you write your name and description here. You can just copy it on ChatGPT and paste it here. Then you have SKU here, product tags, currency, price, weight, inventory also, then shipping, and here we have media. You have just to upload the images. So about this one, you have just to go to canva.com and then you download it and you upload it here. About options here, you have just to click over it and you write your option name, option values, then you add another option, then you click over save. So this is how it works with physical products. You have also here courses. You can just click over add a new course. You write your name, your domain, your page here, and you choose the one of this. Then you click over save. Then we have other one which is communities. About this one, you click over create also, and you write your name, your path, and domain name here, and you click over save. Right now, I will show you how you can create sales funnels. About this one, you go to sales funnels, then you click over create and you write your name again and your funnel domain. You choose your funnel goal, for example build an audience or sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar, and then currency here, and then you click over save. So making money draw a system can involve several strategies depending on the type of system in question. For instance, if you are looking at online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and sell digital products such as ebooks or online courses. Leveraging your expertise subscription based models can also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your website or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So this is how it works with system. You have just to get started. So earning money draw a system requires a strategic approach tailored to a strength and market demand. Whether draw affiliate marketing, digital products, sales, or subscriptions models, the possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream with dedication and the right strategies. You can turn your efforts into a successful venture that not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.